Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining a clear line. Run a string or hose where turf meets bed or path. Pick your tool, Half Moon for precision, powered for long runs, and put on gloves and eye protection. Wet the soil slightly 15 to 30 minutes before you cut, because damp earth slices cleaner and prevents turf from tearing. Now plant your foot and drive the blade straight down alongside the guide. You want a crisp vertical wall, so keep the motion steady and controlled as you work. Once you have a vertical trench, lever out the slice-sawed and manageable strips with a flat shovel or trowel. This prevents ragged edges and makes installing material easier. Trim any protruding roots and shape the trench so it's uniform. Aim for a 1 to 2 inch gap from turf to bed for mulch or edging. Use a hand rake to smooth the soil, checking for dips or high spots. If you plan to install edging, lay it now so the lawn edge meets the top of the edging neatly. You finish by backfilling small gaps, tamping the soil lightly, and adding mulch or securing your edging so everything sits flush. Water to settle the soil. Make maintenance part of your routine. Re-edge every 4 to 8 weeks so the line stays crisp and weeds don't creep in. If the turf tears or the edge looks uneven, don't panic. Recut the affected section a bit deeper, replace the sawed strip if usable, or reseed the patch and water frequently until it recovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.